Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a quick review for y'all, a quick rig, what the hell? Nuh-uh, let's start over. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a quick wig review for y'all. It's a quick install as well as a review. And guys, this hair was sent to me by omgherhair, and these are all the free gifts that I received inside of the box as well as the wig. Guys, the review on this hair, like my final thoughts and everything, will be at the end of this video. So like, just please stick around if you want to know like my thoughts on this hair and all that. So this hair is a 360 wig, and that is the construction. It has combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps, and it does carry a 5x5 silk top for parting. That's what I think. A silk top closure area is at the top, and that's for parting. And guys, this hair is dense. Let me tell you, when I just put it on, I was just like, nah, this is so dense. Like, this got me like RuPaul Drag Race kind of vibe. Like, I don't know, guys. Like, I really was just like nervous when I seen the hairline, because this hair is really dense, and I believe it's because it's the texture of the hair, and it is supposed to be really full. It's a kinky texture hair, that's why. Yeah, so I'm literally like going in, I'm just like cutting that lace. I went in, guys, with my tweezer around the hairline, and let me tell you, my tweezer is trash. Like, my tweezer did not do much for me. I really need to get some tweezers, so don't like come for me with the hairline or nothing, because I don't have any good tweezers to like make the hairline like, you know, like flawless and how I would want to. But guys, if you get this unit, you will have to pluck it. Like, you really will have to. And for this install, I'm using the olive oil fix-it spray, and I'm literally just like spraying that on the under the lace, and then blow drying it on like cool for like a minute, and then I'm spraying it like on top of the lace, and then I am placing the lace into that. And that is basically what I'll do for the entire like install. I'm literally doing it in like fours. Like, I cut the lace in like 4 pieces, and then I do each section, like the middle section, and then I move on to doing the sides. I find that that's easier for me, and once I get done, I cut the extra lace off, and then I go back in and I add the hairspray to the parts that didn't get any, or the parts that need more. And yeah, it's like literally like just like that easy. And then I and then I use my blow dryer on cool to just like freeze everything into place. And then that's basically it for like the application. After I am finished like with like the after I'm finished with laying the lace, I go in with my hot comb, and I was trying to get my part like all center, and I really feel like the parting still wasn't like on center. Like, right now it looks really straight, and then when I was done, I don't know, it didn't look that center to me. But let me know if y'all think I got my part straight. Anyways, I'm just going in with a hot comb, and I'm just flattening the root, and it didn't come with like baby hairs at the front or anything in my opinion. So I'm just like going in and just like creating some. I really didn't want to do any baby hairs because of the front of the hair. Like guys, I'm gonna actually get a good pair of tweezers and I'm gonna go in and really tweeze this hair when I wear this unit again. Um, but yeah, I was trying to do the best I could with those tweezers that were not working. But yeah, I went in and I made like some little swoops at the side, some kind of baby hairs or whatever. They weren't the best baby hairs, but I really did try to like finesse this unit as best as I could with what I had. But yeah, guys, my review of this hair is like right after this, so just like stick around to hear like my thoughts on this hair. Okay, so this hair was sent to me by omgherhair, and guys, this hair is their TLW04 unit. It is 18 inches, 150% density. This is their Kinky Straight unit, and it's a 360 wig, but it has a 5x5 like silk top area that you can use as your parting space. Guys, this hair is full. Like if you watch the entire video, you could see like in the beginning how full this hair was. I know because it's like a kinky texture and it should be like a natural hair texture, but it is so full. I believe it's like more than 150% density in my opinion. It's so full, and I don't think this unit was pre-plucked. That was like my only like con. Like the front had no baby hairs whatsoever. Like I had to like try and somewhat like pluck the front area. I did not have a good tweezer, so like right now like my hair is still not like plucked how I would want it to be. So if you get this unit, you do have to pluck it. Like you have to do a good job at the plucking if you want it to look like, you know, more natural and not like just like bulky. But yeah, that's like the only con that I have about this unit. It does fit my head from side to side, like from ear to ear. Wow, it does fit my head properly, like from ear to ear. Like the fit is good. The back fits good as well. So the wig cap is pretty good. The wig construction, the sizing is pretty good. I must commend them on that. The hair feels really good, guys. I have to tell you, it feels really good. It's just like really full, and I know it's gonna be full because of the hair texture, but dang, the front like really threw me off. But I did what I did, and I tweezed it somewhat, even though I know I didn't like tweeze to how I would want it. And yeah, I just styled the hair pretty simple. I did like a center part and I just like straightened it. I just noticed that my center is not even like fully on center, but like let's just not pay attention to that. But yeah, guys, the hair didn't give me any shedding. As I said, the construction of the wig is beautiful. It fits really well from ear to ear, so I must say that. And you get a lot of body. That's all I'm gonna say. For your money's worth, you get a lot of body. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this hair. Like all the information will be down in the description bar. All the links to this hair will be down in the description bar. Like leave me a like, leave me a comment. You already know what the deal is. And if you've made it this far, like subscribe to my channel. Like what are you doing if you're not subscribed to my channel though? Like what's up? So please hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn your post notifications on. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another video of mine. I love you guys so much.